The Northern Ireland Assembly, often referred to by the metonym Stormont, is the devolved legislature of Northern Ireland. It has power to legislate in a wide range of areas that are not explicitly reserved to the Parliament of the United Kingdom and to appoint the Northern Ireland Executive. It sits at Parliament Buildings at Stormont in Belfast. The Assembly is a unicameral, democratically elected body comprising 90 members known as members of the Legislative Assembly. Members are elected under the single transferable vote form of proportional representation. In turn, the Assembly selects most of the ministers of the Northern Ireland Executive using the principle of power sharing under the devolved method to ensure that Northern Ireland's largest voting blocs, British Unionists and Irish nationalists, both participate in governing the region. The Assembly's standing orders allow for certain contentious motions to require a cross-community vote. In addition to requiring the support of an overall majority of members, such votes must also be supported by a majority within both blocs in order to pass. The Assembly is one of two mutually interdependent institutions created under the 1998 Good Friday Agreement, the other being the North-South Ministerial Council with the Republic of Ireland. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.